What is up? We are doing bottle flips today, and let's get started. This is always how I have to start. I just have to land a bottle flip. Let's go. Our first attempt is right here. First try. Look at that. That was awesome. That was awesome right there. Now we're gonna get right into what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this. Need the water bottle right into it. That's gonna be hard. Yeah, guys, if you don't know, this is really hard. So let's go. 3. There you go. Now that was close. Oh, my camera's falling, but still, that was almost. So. Now this is getting annoying. My cameras keep falling, so yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Also, let's keep on doing that. That's gonna be insane. Only my camera can stay up. There we go. There we go. Let's go again. What? Stand still! Oh my god! Still! This is getting really annoying now. One. A record's 2 or 3. This is never gonna land backwards. This is stupid, guys. I don't know why I said I'm landing. Ready? That counts. That was annoying. So. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, you see that instant replay? Oh my god, I just did no looker. Yo, and that. Now that's insane. Sorry, my TV's on, it's really annoying. That just hit me. And oh my god. Now this is insane. Alright guys, please subscribe. This is the signature sign off. Let's go. This is it. You get 3 more tries in ending the video. 1. That's gonna wrap it up. Please subscribe. Please get this like. Let's go. See ya. Subscribe.